83 formulas categories summarized this way. This is for cold damage. So releasing exterior and drain downward and harmonize. So this is from Sanghanrun. Taeyang, Yangming, and Shaoyang. Another part is pernicious energy. Wind, dampness, dryness, and phlegm, and heat, and coldness. Warming interior formulas. So these are for the pernicious energies. And there are formulas, qi and blood, and tonifying formulas, and calming shen, bind, and treat abscess. Those are the formulas you need to study in 83 formulas. And release exterior formulas, San Juin. Can you remember those one sentence summary? And In Chao-san, Chaige Jie-ji-tang, Renshen Baidu-san, and Gui-ji-tang. And drain downward formulas, Chen Chi-tang family, and Lun Chang-wan, and Ma Chi-ren-wan. And only Lun Chang-wan doesn't have Da-wang. And harmonizing formula, Xiao Chai-hu-tang, Xin-yi-san, Xiao Yao-san, Ban-sha Xie-shin-tang. Ban-sha Xie-shin-tang treat P syndrome. Expelling wind formula, Xiao Hou-lo-dan for pain, Xiao Feng-san for skin, and Zhengan Xie-feng-tang, Tianma Go-ting-yin for headache and liver yang raising. And expel dampness, Ping-wei-san, Ho-xiang Cheng-chi-san, both treat gastrointestinal dampness. Ba-jeng-san treat inflammation, urinary tract infection. Wu-ling-san treat urinary symptoms with Taeyang symptoms, exterior symptoms. Zhu-ling-san, internal heat. Wu-pi-san, general edema. And Zhen-hu-tang, very deep interior in type of edema. And Zhuan-bi-tang treat joint dampness. So treat frozen shoulder pain. And try dryness formula, Xing-shu-san, ticklish, dry throat. And Mai-men-dong-tang treat coughing with those hard to expectorate phlegm. And Bai-he-gu-jin-tang, very chronic, pneumonia, tuberculosis, blood-tinged coughing. And dissolved phlegm, many formulas. Urchin-tang, Wen-dan-tang, psychological symptoms with heat signs. Qing-chi-hua-dan-wan treat actually wet coughing with actual phlegm. And Bai-mo-go-lu-san, there's a phlegm but hard to expectorate. Ban-sha-bai-chu-tian-ma-tang, dizziness, headache, migraine. And Bao-hui-wan, food stagnation. Ji-so-san treat coughing. And clear heat formula, Bai-hu-tang, stomach. Huang-yan-jesu-tang, all three. Xie-shin-tang, all three. Stomach, all three. Qing-wei-san, ghost. Stomach, and where? Your stomach, mouth, stomatitis. And Dao-chi-san, heart. And Long-dan-shegen-tang, liver and groin. Bai-to-weng-tang, intestine. And Qing-hao-bi-jie-tang, empty heat, which subside in the morning, cool in the morning. That is the keyword, cool in the morning. And Dangui-liu-huang-tang, indeficiency, sweating with huang-chi. And warming interior formula, Li-chong-wan, Wu-ju-tang treat nausea with coldness, headache, coldness. And Xiao Jianzhong-tang treat stress-related abdominal pain, tension. And Da Jianzhong-tang, cold condition and abdominal pain. And Xin-yi-tang, cold hand and feet with extreme yang deficiency. That's Xin-yi-tang. And qi and blood, regular qi and regular blood. Regular qi, 4 formulas, Yu-chu-wan. 5 different accumulation. 6 different accumulation. And Ban-sha-ho-po-tang, plum pit. And Ding-chuan-tang, treat coughing. And Shefu-da-che-tang, this is for suppressing hiccup. This treat hiccups and uprising qi by suppressing it. Rebellious qi. So Shefu-da-che-tang. Regulate blood, Da-he Cheng-chi-tang. We learned this in a Cheng-chi-tang family. And Shefu-chu-yu-tang for blood stasis. Tao-ren-shi-yu-tang and Xin-yi-san for heart. And Wen-jin-tang treat blood stasis by warming it. So uteral bleeding and blood stasis. Sheng-hua-tang tonify after delivery. And Gu-ji-fu-ling-an is a general blood stasis formula. And Dan-shen-in for heart. And Huai-hua-san is for large intestine, like Bai-to-weng-tang. So Bai-to-weng-tang treat dysentery, and Bai-to-weng-tang treat bloody dysentery too. Remember that, Bai-to-weng-tang. And Hua-san only treat the blood in the stool. And Jiao-wei-tang treat bleeding while pregnancy, based on Siu-tang. So tonify qi and blood, tonify yin and yang. First, tonifying qi and blood. Tonifying qi formulas. Sinisan, Sijunji Tang, and Shenning Baichusan treat diarrhea with elderly, spleen, and kidney deficiency. Bujongichi Tang, organ prolapse, and fever with qi deficiency. And what is the sign? Skin, only heat in the skin. And Yuping Fengshan, sweating and common cold. And Sheng Mai-san treat long spleen, summer, and coughing. These are the keywords for Sheng Mai-san. And blood deficiency formula, Dangi Bu Xue Tang. Actually, Dangi Bu Xue Tang treat qi and blood. And Wang Qi, exertion is a keyword. And Shiwu Tang and Bajan Tang is a combination of those two. And Guibi Tang treat bleeding and calm shen. And yin and yang formulas, Liu Wei Diwan Wan and Jing Gui Shen Chi Wan. You know what that is? And if you add Fuji Rogui, Jen Gui Shen Chi Wan. If you add other yang tonifier, Mingmen fire, and remove sedating herbs, what are they? Fuling, Mudan Piche, then it is Jogi Wan. From Shen Chi Wan, if you remove same thing, sedating herbs, and add yang tonifier, Mingmen fire tonifier, like Toshichi and Diohon, that is Yuki Wan. Calming Shen formula, San Chao Ren Tang, insomnia. I told you, remember wiry pulse. It goes to liver. And Wang Yan Jie Du Tang, or Chao Tang, treat excess heat in the chest, so irritability, fidgeting. And Gammai Da Chao Tang, Zhang Chao syndrome, mood swing, melancholia. And bind formula, Shi Shen Wan, daybreak diarrhea, there is a keyword. Gu Jing Wan, seminar emission with deficiency. And Gu Jing Wan, this Gu Jing Wan treat heat type of Banglo, uterine bleeding. And Wan Dai Tang, qi deficiency type of vaginal discharge. Okay, that's it for this review class. I hope this help you preparing for the examination.
The document you went over today, would you